This is VIVO X80 LITE, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone calls receptivity problems on this device. So first, I recommend that you begin by checking if your system is put into the airplane or do not disturb mode, and if it is true, make sure to switch both of those modes off. So open your control panel, find the icon for the airplane mode and deactivate it. The same goes for the D&D mode as well, or you can also do that through settings. The method of disabling those modes is entirely up to you. Moving on, I recommend that you reboot your phone also, so press and hold the side power button for about a second, and here tap at the restart option. Then what you also might want to do is to launch settings, then enter the system category. Here go for the reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and perform this operation here. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.